Hey, recently was about deadlines, and today I'd like to speak about another controversial topic, which is the estimates. Very many times we run into discussions where something is not possible to estimate, or someone doesn't want to give estimate because how you can know, you don't know the future. Of course, no one ever knows the future, and there is not many things which we can uh, estimate with 100% certainty. Some of them it's far easier to estimate, and some very, very complex. Nevertheless, we can approach it in different ways. For instance, if we have to do something, we have no clue maybe what exactly needs to be done and stuff like that, we still might be able to say, will it take us, let's say, 10 years, 5 years, 1 year? We can compare it to something similar. For example, if it's about software development, are we going to develop new operating system, or it's just new mobile app? So then we can at least give a range. Is it going to be 10 years, 1 year, 3 months, 1 month, more or less, or 1 week? And then if we provide also the information that this is not the ultimate and bulletproof estimation, but rather the guesstimate, then uh, hopefully all the stakeholders understand that, and they are aligned. What do you think about that approach?